guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a blower motor on a 2007 Pontiac Torrent. This process is the same for a 2006 all the way 2009, and also for the Chevy Equinox from 2006 and I believe all the way 2017. So the reason why I'm replacing it is because my car doesn't throw out cold or hot air. This is the part that I'd be replacing with a TYZ blower. I'm gonna put a link in the description, that way you guys can access it pretty quick. And also if you want to go OEM, I'll also put a link down in the description as well. So here's the part. That's what we'll be working with. I always like to unplug the battery when I'm working with electrical items. And you go to your passenger side, and we're gonna work under here. So the blower is gonna be under the passenger dash, under the glove box. And then the first thing you're gonna do is unbolt these two 7mm bolts. Remember, lefty loosey. Once you get the bolts unscrewed, you wanna lift, well, you wanna pull this down a little bit and get it out of the way. Which I think I have enough room to work with. So as you can see, this right here is the blower motor, and over here that will be your blower motor resistor. What I'm going to be replacing is this right here. So now I gotta clip the harness right here. So you want to do is push this pin and pull it out. So there's actually 3 bolts that hold the blower motor. There's 1, 2, and then 1 all the way in the back. So once you take out all 3, be careful. So the one on the right was a stock one. The one on the left is a TYC blower motor. This is what I'm going to be replacing. So now it's time to put this in reverse order how we took it out. But what I'm going to do is start with the left and right bolt first, and then the one that goes all the way behind, do that one last. The last thing is you want to do is plug in the connector. And then pop this back up. Last thing you want to do is put the panel back in place, put in the bolts, and then you're done. All right, got that done. So moment of truth. There we go. One of the other things I was confused about, if it was actually the blower motor that was bad or the blower motor resistor. And I just, began researching, looking at videos, and what I found out, if it's a blower motor resistor, it only sticks to 1 speed. So it will still turn on, but it will only stick to 1 speed. So for mine, it wasn't turning on whatsoever. I knew it was going to be the blower motor because it's not working. It doesn't go first speed, second speed, or max speed. Honestly, I thought this was going to be a little harder and time consuming. I thought it was going to be like an hour and a half of work, but I'm surprised that it only took about 30 minutes with only a few tools, a ratchet and 2 different kind of sockets. It's just basically bolts. And thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to press the like button and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because more how-to videos coming soon.